Protozoan parasites of humans. Many protozoa have two life stages, a trophozoite, the feeding stage, and a dormant cyst stage. Encystment is the process of cyst formation. Excystment refers to the process by which cysts become trophozoites. Balantidium coli is the only ciliate to cause disease in humans. It is responsible for balantidiasis, usually a mild gastrointestinal illness. Amoeba are protozoa that move and feed using pseudopodia. Entamoeba histolytica is a relatively common protozoan parasite that causes amoebiasis, which can be mild luminal amoebiasis, more severe amoebic dysentery, or very severe invasive extraintestinal amoebiasis, in which the parasite causes lesions in the liver, lungs, brain, and other organs. Acanthamoeba and Naegleria are free-living amoeba that rarely infect humans. Both are acquired from water. Acanthamoeba causes keratitis and amoebic encephalitis, which progresses slowly and is usually fatal. Naegleria causes a more rapid amoebic meningoencephalitis, which is also fatal. Parasitic flagellates include Trypanosoma, Leishmania, Giardia, and Trichomonas. Trypanosoma cruzi, transmitted by the kissing bug, causes Chagas disease in the Americas, where it is a frequent cause of heart disease. T. brucei, transmitted by the tsetse fly, causes African sleeping sickness. Both trypanosomes have similar life cycles. Epimastigotes in the insect gut develop into infective trypanomastigotes introduced to the human body by the insect vector. T. cruzi trypanomastigotes develop intracellularly in macrophages and heart muscles as mastigotes. T. brucei trypanomastigotes remain in the blood, are antigenically variable, can spread to the central nervous system, and can be fatal. Many species of Leishmania infect humans. Each parasite has two developmental stages, an intracellular amastigote in mammals and a promastigote form in sandflies, which transmit the disease. 3 clinical forms of leishmanias are seen, each with increasing severity: cutaneous, mucocutaneous, and visceral. Leishmanias is a zoonosis, a disease of animals transmitted to humans. Giardia intestinalis is a frequent cause of gastrointestinal disease and is endemic worldwide. Giardiasis is rarely fatal. Trichomonas vaginalis is the most common protozoan disease of humans. This sexually transmitted protozoan causes vaginosis. Prevention relies on abstinence, monogamy, and condom usage. Plasmodium species, Toxoplasma, Cryptosporidium, and Cyclospora are all apicomplexans, in which sexual reproduction produces oocytes that undergo schizogony to produce various forms. 4 species of Plasmodium cause malaria and are transmitted by female Anopheles mosquitoes. The complex life cycle of Plasmodium has 3 stages. Sporozoites travel to the liver to initiate the exoerythrocytic phase. Rupture of liver cells releases merozoites from intracellular schizons. Merozoites infect erythrocytes to initiate the erythrocytic cycle. The sporogonic phase in the mosquito has a oocyst that divides to form sporozoites, which are injected into humans when the mosquito feeds. Dormant hypnozoites are produced by P. ovale and P. vivax. P. falciparum produces the deadliest form of malaria. Several host traits influence whether or not an individual is susceptible to malaria. Toxoplasma gondii causes toxoplasmosis, a disease of cats that can be acquired by other animals and humans, primarily via the consumption of meat containing the parasite. Toxoplasmosis is generally mild in humans, but toxoplasma can cross the placenta to cause serious harm to fetuses. Cryptosporidium parvum and Cyclospora cutanesis both cause waterborne gastrointestinal disease in the United States. Cryptosporidium, which causes Cryptosporidium enteritis, is resistant to standard water treatment methods. Cyclosporiasis is an emerging disease in the U.S.